Oh, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Warren here, aka Warfield Morphin. I ain't try to put that as my name, but it's stuck now. I got about 90 days to change it. But anyway, I'm finna do a prank on my sister. I done put Kool-Aid in this. I'm finna act like I'm drinking it, I'm gonna pass out. Stay tuned. I gotta tell you something, Paris. You gotta turn the TV down. I gotta tell you something. I gotta tell you something.
You don't have to turn it all the way down.
Well, I cannot. Shut up when I'm talking to you. Paris, I've been stressing lately. I'm talking about, like, I've been stressing lately.
Huh? Wait a second.
Come here, Paris. You know how I've been coughing lately. I just feel like I just feel real sick lately. You know what I mean? I ain't even talking to you.
I do.
Look at me when I'm talking to you.
Ow! What was that?
Don't cry. I can't do this no more, Paris. I just need to drink the whole bottle.
What is that? Don't do that.
What you doing?
No.
I told you I feel sick.
No. What is this? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! No.
Where you go?
I got it.
Where the stuff go? It's all on my carpet. Oh no, I gotta end the video.